First, open your Figma project. Activate Dev Mode, head to the top menu, click Plugins greater than Browse Plugins and search for Anima. Install it, then launch the plugin. Anima is a game changer. It turns your designs into code and handles responsiveness. If you're new to Anima, stick around. This will blow your mind. Step 2. Prepare your Figma design before generating code. Let's optimize your Figma file. Name your layers and frames clearly, e.g., navbar, card grid. Anima uses these names for class IDs in your code. Pro tip: group elements logically. Anima generates cleaner code if your layers are well organized. Step 3. Generate code with Anima. Now, let's work some magic. Select the frame you want to convert, e.g., your landing page. In Anima, choose HTML and CSS as your framework. Toggle responsive code to ON for mobile-friendly layouts. Click Generate Code. Anima will analyze your design and create code in seconds. Wait for the preview window to pop up. Here, you can hover over elements to see their HTML structure and CSS styles. Check if buttons, margins, and fonts match your Figma design. If something's off, tweak your Figma layers and regenerate. And there you have it. A fully functional website straight from Figma. If this saved you hours of coding, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff tutorials.